Welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. This morning we are having noodles for breakfast. So this is how you make noodles if you didn't know. And that wasn't enough, so we added some toast, avocado and tomatoes. Okay, we didn't get any videos in the morning, but this is us on our way home from Cruzy's training. Check out their sunset fam. Cruzy and the grandparents are getting ready for dinner. So lovely of the sister Mary and the old man and boys for inviting us out for dinner. Tonight we are trying Emu Hall. It's a restaurant in Mount Druitt. I think that's how you say it, but yeah. So here's Mary and the old man and the boys. Really grateful for them for taking the time out to take us out for dinner and also like just fellowship over a good meal. Honestly, the food at this place was bomb.com. We all ordered like steaks. It was the best steak I've ever had, guys. And the olds, you know, they ordered seafood. Mum had lamb. So Mary had this pasta thing and I also tried it as well. It was super yummy. And here's the steak, guys. And Cruzy and Evo are eating and thinking about life. But look at their pasta. There's so much prawns in there. Let me take you around. Everyone's just catching up over a good meal. And here's Mum looking at the lamb going, what am I going to do with that? And I was thinking, why did I even order that for her? And don't worry, I'm here now, saving the day. And I'm just sitting there going, because look at this Falaniko girl looking and probably thinking, Oka, do you even know what you're doing? Girl, you better watch it. I do know what I'm doing. Here you go, taking out the tomatoes. And Chris is like, I'm so going to try this after. But there was nothing left over. And here's us just finishing for the night, checking out a nice venue. So if you're ever thinking about getting married or renewing your vows, check them out. There's like an outdoor area and there's also one inside. And here's the olds looking over the river and taking photos. Hold on. Practicing for the next wedding. Here we go. Anyway, I just want to thank Mary and the old man Falaniko, as well as the boys Paul and Evo for taking the time out to take us out for dinner tonight. We really enjoyed our fellowship and also just catching up. Anyway, Tamahuta.